welcome to the winter diorama class. My name is Cheryl and I'll be guiding you through the whole process. We're going to make this winter diorama. I am using several different Sizzix dies with a Big Shot machine to create all the little pieces to go in with it. However, if you have a different type of die cutting machine, you absolutely can use it. If you happen to have a Cricut machine, you could probably find a bunch of different SVGs to use that would give you a similar result. So I have two different options that you could choose. One is this one here where we emboss the stars, and you can see as I turn it in the light, it has a little bit of Northern Lights look to it. We also have this version that you could make. So this one here looks very similar until you turn the lights on. So this one here, we're going to be doing die cutting stars in the sky. It does as well have the subtle Northern Lights effect in it as well that changes with as you turn it in the light. This class also includes a supply list that will have the different supplies that are used in the demo. This is going to help you with sourcing all of your supplies and finding them all. If you have any questions throughout the class, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask me. I'm happy to help. Now let's get started making our winter diorama.